In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to your Webflow website. If you're looking to enhance your website with a dynamic map, you're in the right place. This simple process will guide you through creating a professional touch for your site. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. Firstly, we need to head over to Google Maps. Open your browser and type in maps.google.com. Once you're there, enter the location you want to display on your website. This could be your business address, a landmark, or any point of interest you'd like your visitors to see. As the location appears, make sure it's pinpointed accurately on the map. This ensures your website visitors will be able to find the exact spot you're highlighting. Next, you'll find the Share option, which is typically located in the left panel. Click on it, and you'll see several options appear. Among these options, look for Embed a Map. This is crucial for obtaining the code we'll soon be using on your Webflow site. By clicking on Embed a Map, you'll be presented with an iframe code, which essentially is a snippet of HTML used to display the map. Highlight and copy this embed code. You can use the keyboard shortcuts or simply right-click to copy it. Now let's pivot over to Webflow. Open your Webflow designer and navigate to the page where you want the map to be displayed. It could be your home page, contact page, or any section you see fit. Once there, you need to add an embed element. This is where the magic happens, and it's quite straightforward. In Webflow, look towards the plus icon or the Elements panel and select the embed element. This element is specifically designed to incorporate custom code, like the one we've copied from Google Maps. Paste the iframe code into the embed element. You should see the map appear almost instantly as a preview within your designer tool. This visual confirmation helps to ensure that the code is working correctly, giving you a real-time look at what visitors will experience. Finally, don't forget to save your work. This step is vital in preserving the changes you've just made. Once saved, go ahead and publish your site. This action pushes the updates live, allowing visitors to see the beautifully embedded map. It's a perfect addition that provides value to your audience, guiding them with precise location details right from your web page. That's all there is to it. It's a seamless process that, when done correctly, adds significant functionality and style to your Webflow website. From opening Google Maps to going live with your custom embedded map, every step is an addition towards a more interactive and informative web experience for your users. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials.